Hi, my name is Rob, and today I'm going to show you how to restore the Schlage touchscreen deadbolt to its original factory presets. Here's an example of a lock set that needs to be reset to the factory codes. When entering a valid 4-digit user code, the lock will operate incorrectly and provide a visual error indication. Before starting the reset procedure, have your original user guide with you, as it contains the original factory preset codes. If you have misplaced your user guide, you can determine the original factory preset codes by locating them on the back of the inside cover using a Phillips screwdriver. The inside housing is held on by 2 screws. Remove the decorative battery cover. Remove the bottom screw and the top screw. Once the screws are removed, you can locate the original user codes here. Now that you are in possession of the factory preset codes, you can begin the reset procedure. First, be sure that the latch is retracted. Second, remove the decorative battery cover. And third, disconnect the battery. With the battery disconnected, discharge any residual electricity by pressing and holding the Schlage button a number of times. Nothing obvious will happen with the lock. The next step involves pressing the Schlage button and holding it, while at the same time reconnecting the battery. You will have 3 green check marks appear on the face of the lock. Release the button and replace the battery cover. Complete the reset procedure by repeating the initial setup process. Press the outside Schlage button. Enter one of the original factory preset codes. The lock will perform a setup routine. When the bolt stops moving, the process is complete. I hope you found this useful. For more information, go to schlage.com. Thank you for watching.